You will find the old man in the dungeon. Do not confuse him with the other half-dead men. You heard Mr. Sunshine. Find Crafts before he gets chewed on.
These dead fucks better not get to Franco before I do. Take that, you poncy fuck!
I see you've made contact with Ravenov.
Hey, buddy. Ravenov, you in there? He's either out cold at hearing Sam's voice, or he's got a bad case of the DTs.
Got a location on Franco. As far as I'm concerned, he's the real place.
Points.
Do these beasts follow everywhere in your wake? Even after all these years? Gosh, boy. And I thought I kept bad company.
Gonna pick this place clean. What's theirs is mine now. Starting to think you underestimated how much these nerds hate you. I think Carver would rather gargle a dog turd than have you along.
Yeah, well, what can I say? It's lonely at the top.
Bonus points.
It pissed you off that I'm getting along with this lot better than you ever will?
Me? Pissed that you're popular with those mental titans? Please. I just need to know you'll still have my back if they get, aggressive. You do know the main entrance is locked up tight. Yes, but I'm sure the doors will yield with a little gentle persuasion.
Decoy live. Yeah, not bad. That'll do it all right.
Max armor.
You can't take it with you. Buy an ammo bar. It'll keep you breathing loose.
Anybody got mouthwash? Right between its glowing eyes. still sussing everyone out. For now, all I care about is getting my hands on Franco.
I'm sure he'll be delighted to see you. Right up until the point you make his throat smile.
Bonus points to pieces.
I know for a fact Franco kept dangerous shipments in that area. Some direct from the port.
Good thing we get a 5-finger discount.
Mom would say this is what I get for breaking and entering. Not so sharp now, are you, hey? Fuck, I hate those things. Which can only mean there's bloody more of them. Ooh, big scary leggy boy. You'd be no match for my mum's slipper. I can tell, that's a good reaction.
Insta-kill. Double points.
You are not like the others. You are not military. What? Criminal? Smuggler?
I prefer independent businesswoman, but you're not wrong. Honestly, it's not a bad makeover. I think you look great. We say in the biz, got plenty more where that came
Max
from.
armor.
I saw the look on your face. Finished business with him.
Well, he abducted my brother and sold him to a black site lab where they turned him into a 12-armed monstrosity. So yeah, you could say that.
Bonus points.
ruled by a Templar.
Kaboom!
The owl. His 4 bastard sons did his dirty work. Zack's death was their calling card.
Bastard sword, meet queen, that bitch.
You have the option to make an exit if you've had enough of Avalon.
Gonna snap necks like a cop with a ponytail. I'll pummel you rancid fuckers till I'm stuffed. This one's gotta be popular with the uni kids.
Insta-kill!
Wow, greedy fella. Something trying to swarm me like pickpockets on a tourist. Shit, better check my bum bag.
Tear them to pieces!
I'm afraid vessel conditions are not conducive for exit. Round out.
Stop looking at me like I'm bloody lunch. I ain't your fucking Sango.
Max ammo!
Looks like gloom. With a hilt.
Raven Knight never announced this gift. His loss.
Ignace
Wow!
or not.
Max armor!
Congratulations. You just made Maya's top 10 grossest experiences ever. Now I just need one of those daggy Hawaiian shirts. You like that? I know I sure as fuck did. Something tells me we ain't ready to crack some brews and kick up our feet yet. Enjoy your prize for ugliest in show, Hayuka. Close enough, fucking chode.
Kaboom!
Boy, machine, you got snacks in there? You could really tear into some pork rinds right now. I swear the fucking ghoul arced on that one.
All to Citadelle. We are standing by. Should you choose to evacuate?
Wow. Think that gave my wedgie a wedgie? I make this look easy. But it's not. It's not at all. I hate it. Yeah.
Bonus points.
Boy, keep your hands to yourself. And I mean all of them. I think some just went in my mouth.
Insta-kill. Max ammo.
Off the main. Keep my hands off the fucking
Tear them to pieces.
You see that, Pat? How about you get off your ass and give it a go? That's enough of your spooky bullshit.
Max
Nothing
ammo.
scarier than my right hook. Stay in school, kids. like that all day. Wish you warned me about splash zones, Pat? Would have packed a poncho. Semtex, have fun. Make room, you rotted sausages. I'm coming through.
Insta-kill.
Before anyone asks, no, we're not throwing Peg in there.
Kaboom!
All squads here. Your aerial carrier base. Well, looky here. Austin Dog is playing. Wait,
This place smells like old cheese and bird shit. Time to bounce.
get where I can see you. Castle Extract is a bitch.